Myself Aditya Nachinke, and I am here to speak on the topic of the inheritance in Java. So today's date is 20th of December 2022. So the inheritance in Java is the mechanism which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of other parent object, and it is important part of the OOP programming language. So the idea behind the inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon the existing classes, and when you inherit from that existing classes, then you can reuse the methods and the fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. So inheritance represents the is a relationship, which is also known as the inheritance. So why we use inheritance in the Java? So for method overloading, so runtime polymorphism can be achieved, and for code reusability and terms in the inheritance. So the class is a group of the object which have a common properties, and it is template or blueprint from which objects are recreated. So subclass and child class. The subclass is the class which inherits the other class, and it is also known as the derived class, extended class, or the child class. Then superclass or the parent class. The superclass is the class from which where a subclass inherits the features, and it is also called as the base class or the parent class. Then reusability. So as the name specifies, the reusability is the mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the field and the methods of the existing class, and when you create a new class you can use the same fields and methods already defined in the previous class. So the syntax of the Java inheritance is that the class subclass name extend the superclass name, and inside that methods and fields is there. So the extend keyword indicates that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class, and the meaning of the extend is to increase the functionality. So in this terminology of the Java, a class which is inherited is called as a parent or superclass, and the new class is called child or subclass. So now the example of the Java inheritance is the one class has is inheriting the other class is the example of it. Thank you. This is all about the inheritance.